Windows are a vital part of your home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. To ensure your windows in Glendale perform efficiently and last for years to come, regular maintenance is essential. Whether you've recently installed new windows or want to extend the life of your existing ones, this guide will walk you through key maintenance practices to keep them in top condition. Clean your windows regularly. Regular cleaning is one of the simplest ways to maintain your windows and keep them looking great. Dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on the glass, frames, and sills, diminishing the aesthetic and functionality of your windows. Glass cleaning. Use a soft cloth or sponge with a gentle window cleaner to wipe down the glass. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can scratch or damage the surface. Frame cleaning. For vinyl or aluminum frames, use a mixture of mild soap and water. If you have wooden frames, use a damp cloth and avoid excessive moisture to prevent warping or rotting. Track and sill cleaning. Dirt and debris can accumulate in window tracks and sills, making operation difficult. Use a small brush or vacuum to clear out debris, then wipe with a damp cloth. Cleaning your windows every few months will not only keep them sparkling but also help identify any potential issues early on. Inspect for damage. Regular inspections are crucial for identifying small issues before they become major problems. Check your windows every season for signs of damage, such as cracks in the glass. Even small cracks can compromise the window's insulation and security. Warped frames. Warping can make windows difficult to open or close and may signal moisture damage. Damaged seals. Inspect for fogging or condensation between panes, which indicates a broken seal. Hardware wear. Check latches, locks, and hinges for proper function. If you spot any damage, address it promptly to prevent further deterioration. Maintain weather stripping and seals. Weather stripping and seals play a critical role in keeping your home energy efficient by preventing drafts and moisture infiltration. Over time, these components can wear out or become damaged. Inspect the weather stripping for cracks, gaps, or peeling. Replace it if necessary to maintain a tight seal. Check caulking around the exterior of the window frames for cracks or gaps. Reapply caulking as needed to prevent water infiltration. Replacing weather stripping or caulking is a cost-effective way to preserve your window's performance. Lubricate moving parts. If your windows are difficult to open or close, it could be due to a lack of lubrication on the moving parts. Window tracks, hinges, and rollers should be kept clean and well lubricated to ensure smooth operation. Use a silicone-based lubricant for tracks and rollers, as it won't attract dirt or grime. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can gum up over time. Regular lubrication not only improves functionality but also reduces wear and tear on the hardware. Protect against harsh weather. Glendale's climate, with its hot summers and occasional storms, can take a toll on your windows. Protect them by installing window film to reduce UV damage and heat penetration. Using shades or curtains to protect frames and glass from excessive sunlight. Ensuring gutters and downspouts direct water away from windows to prevent moisture damage. Taking proactive measures can help your windows withstand Glendale's climate while maintaining their efficiency and appearance. Monitor for condensation. Condensation on the inside of your windows can indicate high humidity levels in your home, while fogging between panes points to a broken seal. To minimize condensation, use a dehumidifier to regulate indoor humidity levels. Ensure proper ventilation in high moisture areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Replace windows with broken seals to restore insulation and energy efficiency. Addressing condensation issues promptly will prevent long-term damage to your windows and frames. Schedule professional maintenance. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, scheduling professional window inspections every few years can help identify hidden issues and ensure your windows are functioning at their best. Professional services can include deep cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, replacing damaged seals or weather stripping, repairing or replacing faulty hardware. Working with a Glendale window expert ensures your windows receive the care they need for optimal performance. Refinish or repaint is needed. For wooden windows, refinishing or repainting every few years is necessary to protect them from moisture and UV damage. Use a high-quality paint or stain designed for exterior wood, and ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Refinishing also gives you the opportunity to refresh your home's aesthetic and extend the lifespan of your windows. Why maintain your windows? Proper window maintenance not only enhances the appearance of your Glendale home but also provides several other benefits. Energy efficiency. Well-maintained windows help reduce energy costs by preventing drafts and heat loss. Comfort. Properly functioning windows ensure a comfortable indoor environment, free from drafts and noise pollution. Longevity. Regular care extends the life of your windows, saving you money on premature replacements. Home value. Clean and well-maintained windows improve your home's curb appeal and resale value. Keep your windows in top shape. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure your Windows of Glendale perform at their best for years to come. Regular cleaning, inspections, and professional care will not only preserve their functionality but also enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. If you need expert assistance or are considering an upgrade, don't hesitate to contact a trusted Glendale window professional. Your windows are an investment. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you.